Out here at Tom and Lori George, looking at this humidifier. Two steam humidifiers. This is the newer one. Getting some pretty aggressive bubbling. I don't know if that could be considered foaming, or anyways, it's working like a champ. But one of the things I'm noticing, there is an overflow here, and you can see it. Occasionally, it's running down the drain. It's just basically steaming so much, or getting so aggressive, it's just going over the overflow at times, and then it's refilling, recycling. One of the things I've already checked static pressure. We got 0.18 static in the supply there. Looking at the water supply, water comes across here. We've recently changed this. This is what we've changed. You can see this was what we wanted to do, is get away from that saddle valve there. Fortunately, the saddle valve is still there, but we've come to a new location. This is actually softened water over here, whereas that old saddle valve is not softened water. So just some of the things we're looking at here. This one appears to be doing fine for whatever reason. This one's a little older. Last time I was here, I replaced the canister on this one.